Well, siyanibingelela nonke bakwethu egameni lika Jesu. We greet you in the mighty name of Jesus as iservice iqhubeka ngaphakathi. God is working mightily and He's shaping people's lives. Others are getting baptized as we speak. Lives are getting changed. So the most important aspect of believing in God is that one of being plugged into a system. The system will then carry you to your destiny. Ozufinyelele ebudodaneni obupheleleyo bukaNkulunkulu udinga ukuba yingxenye ube planted ebandleni. So this is not a process that is about the people you may find in the church. That is about the history of the church. Not necessarily even about the leader who is leading the church. Kodwa, it's a personally based process and system on Genagion, and then it ushers you to your destiny. So we wanted to share those sentiments as we continue bantwana benkosi nokubheka uNkulunkulu. Okay, usesukile. uNkulunkulu uhlelile lezinto uyihlelele thina sonke ukuthi si enjoy as ama privilege asinikeze wona. Woza ngapha ke bhekisa ngakumele ungasuki kimi. So kunabantu are planned, kunabantu are responsible, kunama apostles, kunama pastors, kunama gifts of the spirit, kunabantu abaqualified in their professions, kunabantu are gifted to channel you and help you. They are all materials. Ikona yonke skill set endlini kaNkulunkulu to usher you to your breakthrough. So besifuna ukuzoreveala lokho ukuthi as an individual and as a person uyadinga ukuthi ube ingxenye, plug into a system, and when you've plugged into that system you'll get a chance to grow and become something. There is something that I was musing about, the fact that the world we live in is not exactly what we thought it is. It's all an illusion, a delusion, because you've not yet been there. I'm looking at the levels of life that we are living in. Some are wealthy, some are rich, some are comfortable, some are poor, some are privileged than the others, some are well-to-do than the others, some are living the dream, and some are living the horror. So when all that is taking place, you need to be plugged into a system, the incubation. So what is going on here is available also for you as an individual. You can become part of a well-structured system. Now, uzomala, we miss kanje, yes. I hope izozwakala. Ngitshela masukhathele. Oh, nalila, woza na. Imala. Hambani niyodla ninga yaqala.